I've been using these Earth Breeze laundry detergent sheets for about a year now, and they've honestly become one of those simple household staples I never want to run out of. If you love anything that makes everyday routines easier, this is such a smart swap. What I really love most is how easy they are to use. There's no heavy detergent jug to lift, no messy pouring, and no measuring. You just grab a sheet and toss it in. It makes laundry feel so much simpler, and I really appreciate how little space they take up compared to those big bulky bottles. These sheets dissolve fully in both hot and cold water, and I've had great results using them on everyday clothes, towels, and even more delicate items. They help leave everything smelling fresh and clean without that heavy residue some detergents can leave behind, and I have somewhat sensitive skin. I also really like that they're gentle, especially if you're trying to be a little more mindful about what you use on your clothes and on your linens. Another reason I keep buying them is because they're so convenient for travel. They're lightweight, compact, and easy to pack, which is such a nice bonus. And my home sweet home tip for this one is use cold water for most everyday laundry to help protect fabrics and to save energy. But keep warm water in mind for towels or extra dirty loads when needed. I also like to keep a few detergent sheets close to the washer so quick loads feel even easier. Friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission if you purchase through my link, at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews like this one. Thank you so much.